everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you the review of this Philips hair straightener. So I have been using this straightener since last 2 months and I am really very excited to share the review and demo of this product to you guys. So if you are interested to know how this works on me and the prices and the other details and whether you should buy this product or not, then please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, this is my normal hair. Today I haven't done any kind of straightening or curling on my hair. So this is how my original hair looks like. It's slightly wavy, but it's more on the straighter side, and I am really very happy and satisfied with my hair. So you should be also very happy and satisfied how your hair is. But if you like to do some kind of styling, then you can buy a hair straightener or a hair curler, but you don't have to take any pressure that your hair has to be like a certain kind. You don't have to take that pressure on your head. If you just want to do some kind of styling, then you can definitely buy this hair styling tools. So I am going to share the review of this straightener now. So this is the model number BHS386, and this is also available in other model numbers, but I have chosen this one for the features it has. So this has keratin protection, which will protect your hair from heat damage, and it will make your hair shiny and not frizzy. So this also has 90 mm plate, which is a pretty broad plate for a hair straightener. So the broader the plate is, it can straighten much more hair in one go. So you have to choose a hair straightener which has broader plates. I have chosen this. It has 90 mm, and I think that that's enough for my hair because I don't have a lot of hair and my hair is really very thin. And it also has a long wire, and it is 360-degree rotatable, so it's really very easy to handle the straightener while doing your hairstyle. So I have chosen this for those features, and this retails for 2395 rupees, and I got this at 1900 rupees from Amazon, and I will share the link of this product in my description box below. So if you want to buy this from there, you can definitely have a look, and you can also check this product in your local stores, but now the local stores are closed, I think. So the packaging of this product is pretty good. As you can see, it has very sturdy cardboard packaging, and inside this you get the straightener with a very long wire. You can see the wire is pretty long. So if you are standing far away from your switchboard, then it will be not very problematic because the wire is long. And here is the straightener. It is in a very beautiful purple color, and here you can lock it, and if you do this, it will be opened. And always make sure to close it after you use it. Just press it and then just put it down. So I think that this is also a very nice feature. You have to always close it, and this is really very safe. And now I will show you the demo of this product, how I use this. So guys, this is how my hair originally looks like. So it's more of like straight, but not very much straight. It's kind of wavy, as you can see. So I have normally washed my hair using shampoo and conditioner, and now I'm going to apply a good serum. You can use any serum of your choice, but you must use any serum or any hair protecting cream or sprays to protect your hair from heat damage. You can't miss this step, guys. So I am using this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. So I am going to take few drops of it, and I am going to apply it in my hair thoroughly. So you have to part your hair while using hair straightener, and while sectioning your hair, you have to take little section at a time. Don't take a lot more hair in a section. So the less hair you take in a section, the better result you get. So that you have to keep in your mind. So guys, you have to take some small clips. Any clip you can take, this kind of clutcher or any section clip. So I am using these clutchers. So what you need to do is basically you have to do your hair in sections. So I will start from the back of my head and then I will come to the front of it. So I am just clipping out this front section. I am looking a little bit crazy, but please excuse me for that. So I am just taking this much of hair at a time. So I do 5 to 6 sections on the half portion of my hair, and so as the rest of it. So my tool has warmed up. Yeah, it's warmed up. So it has two temperature settings, and I am using the first one because I have really thin hair and my hair is not that much curly. But if your hair is a lot more curly and if you have thick hair, then you can go for the second one, but I always prefer for, the first one. So it's really simple. You have to hold it like this and make sure your hair is tangle free, which is a very important point. Your hair has to be tangle free. So you just need to hold this like this, just close it and slowly move it down. That's it, guys. And if you are not satisfied with the result, then you can do it once more. Just hold it like this and slowly move it down. And don't immediately touch your hair because it's hot. So after that, move this section to the back and then take another section and again tuck the front section of your hair with that same clutcher. Make sure your hair is tangle free and then just do it. So guys, I have done the half of my hair and it barely took 3 to 4 minutes, not more than that, and you can see the difference. So this side is the straighten up hair and this is the original hair. So this is the difference. And one more thing guys, you have to be really very careful to not burn your ear. So be sure to keep a mirror in front of you while you are doing this. And there is lots of way to straighten your hair and I am showing the way I do it, and if you like it you can do it. I think that this is the simple way to do it, and there are a lot more way where you have to hold the straightener and you have to hold the comb along with that and then you have to straighten your hair, but I don't feel that is comfortable to me, so I do it this way. So you can do that, and if you like that kind of process you can obviously do that, whichever you like. So I will do the rest of my hair and I will show you guys how my hair turned out. So I am done with my hair guys, and you can see how beautiful and shiny it is looking, and I am really happy with the result. And trust me guys, it barely took 10 minutes, I mean less than 10 minutes, and I am done with my hair. And you can see how it's looking, and it's very smooth and shiny, and I'm really loving how it turned out to be. So I can highly recommend this product to you guys, and if you are searching for a good hair straightener you can definitely give it a try, and I have shared the link of this product from various website in my description box below, so you can have a look. And if you like this video and found this useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also comment down below what you think of my videos, and share this video with your friends. And if you are not following me on Instagram, what are you doing guys? Just go and follow, the link is in the description box. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe and stay tuned. Bye bye guys.